How to see who viewed your TikTok video. First, you want to open the TikTok app and then tap on the profile icon to open up your profile. Now, if you want to see who viewed your TikTok video, you first have to do something. So, first head over to the three lines at the top right corner of your screen and then tap on Settings and Privacy. Once you're in here, you want to tap on Privacy. And now scroll down and you're going to find the option of post views. Now over here, you want to make sure that this option is toggled on. So if it's off, you simply want to turn it on. What this will do is it will allow people to see that you have viewed their post and see which followers viewed yours. But remember that post view history will only be available for 7 days from the post date. So now once it has been turned on, let's go back. And on my profile, if I want to check out who viewed this TikTok video, all you have to do is at the bottom left corner of your screen, you can find the views right here. So you can find 163 views. You simply want to tap on it. And over here on the views section, you will be able to see who has viewed your TikTok video. Now remember that this is only available for 7 days. So here, if I tapped on this old video, it's going to say that post view history will only be available for 7 days from the post date. So this is how you can check out who viewed your TikTok video. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.